The grime and dust that builds up on servers, electrical panels, and control systems across our public and industrial sites can put entire industries at risk. When facing threats like these, the most important thing is having flawless cleaning technology. Keeping equipment clean and always safe. Naewoi Korea is here to protect your peace of mind. NWK99 OP cleans up fine dust and pollutants completely. It gets your equipment back in shape and boosts energy efficiency with its cooling effect. And NWK99. Normally it's great at cleaning and cooling, but in emergencies, it jumps in with powerful fire suppression to keep your data safe. NWK747 Soot Remover quickly wipes away soot and dirt from sensitive equipment surfaces, helping prevent malfunctions and fire risks before they happen. Cleaning, cooling, fire extinguisher. Everything your data centers and control rooms need, all in one. With technology made by Naewoi Korea, we promise your peace of mind today and tomorrow.